Precise positioning of battery module assembly. During battery module assembly, the clamping element can quickly respond to commands, accurately positioning battery cells or components at designated locations, ensuring that each cell meets micrometer-level precision requirements, avoiding battery performance degradation or safety hazards due to assembly errors. During the stacking, welding, and other processes of battery modules, the clamping element can effectively prevent the battery components from shifting due to external vibrations or inertia generated by equipment operation, ensuring assembly accuracy and consistency. During the process of moving batteries from one workstation to another, the clamping element ensures the transport equipment keeps the battery modules stable when stopping or starting, preventing damage to the batteries due to shaking or collisions. When equipment malfunctions or an emergency occurs, clamping element can quickly break to prevent battery modules from falling due to loss of control, thus providing safety protection.